Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your speaker at the device list. Scroll down just a bit, and right here we have HD audio. So to enable it, you need to click at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also click one time at this slider if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!